Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. So this week we're making coal bites since Miss Ashley talked about natural resources last week. So what they are Oreo balls. All right, so let's jump in. So you need Oreos. You're going to need marshmallows. You're going to need butter, and you can get a stick of butter or just this kind. So our materials, we need a Ziploc bag. Our recipe calls for a rolling pin, but if you don't have that, you can use a spoon, which is just to crush up the Oreos. So that's what Miss Libby's going to use. A bowl, microwave safe, a spoon, so I have that, and then some type of baking sheet to put them on when they're finished. All right, so, sorry, I'm looking up here at my computer, guys. All right, so we kind of made the recipe a little bit shorter since Miss Libby's the only one making it today. So you can do what I do, or you can follow the rule, and it just calls for a lot more stuff. All right, so step number 1, it says put the cookies into a Ziploc bag. So for my recipes, to make it smaller so we don't make so many, I'm going to put 3 cookies. Let me put you guys down so y'all can see a little bit better. All right. So I'm going to put in 3 cookies. So I have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put them in my bag. Close it up. So next step, number 2, it says crush cookies into small pieces with a rolling pin, or like I said, with a spoon. So you're just going to take the end of it and crush it up like this into small pieces. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's finished. Alright. So this is probably good. So shake it around a little bit so all the pieces kind of... So that's what it looks like. So let's look at step number 3. So we're going to put our marshmallows and our butter into a bowl. So marshmallows, I'm going to need 1 cup. So I have my 1 cup. So we're just going to fill it to the top. So just grab a few out to fill up 1 cup. All right, so I have my 1 cup marshmallows. I'm going to put them into the bowl. And then butter, we're going to use the tablespoon. So the biggest one of these, you're going to get out 1 tablespoon of butter and put it in there with the marshmallows. All right. So this is what that looks like. So now it says microwave for 1 minute. So we're gonna hit time cook 100 start. All right. So if you want, you can clean up a little bit while you wait on the microwave. So I'm gonna put my marshmallows up, my Oreos up. Let me grab a napkin. All right, so we have about 30 more seconds on the microwave. So after this, it says microwave for 1 minute, which we're doing right now, until it's melted, and then it says stir. So you're gonna have your spoon ready. We have about 10 seconds, and then we're going to stir. Looks like it's getting melted. Alright, so I heard the beep, so we're going to take it out. So this is what it looks like. So you're going to want to stir up the marshmallows in the butter, where they're all mixed together. So instead of stirring it, alright. So now you're going to, step number 5. It says put your crushed cookies into the bowl. So the cookies we crushed up, we're going to take them and pour them into our bowl. Let me turn it so you guys can see. All right. So you're going to take them and pour them into the bowl. with the marshmallows and the butter. And it also tells us to stir. So this is what it looks like. So you want to make sure you stir it and it gets all mixed together. The cookies, the marshmallow, and the butter. It looks good. Alright. So let's see what step number 6. Alright. So it says you're going to shape these into circles and put them on your baking sheet. So you're going to get your baking sheet. And if you want to, so it's not so messy on your hands, you can pick it up with your spoon like this, get a scoop, and you're just going to scoop it onto your baking sheet into like a little ball or a little circle. So we're going to do that for a few of them. All right. So this is what mine look like. So it says place them on the baking sheet, which we did, and it says let them cool. So I'd say about a minute or two till they get a little bit harder. And then step number 8, it's time to eat. So I know it was a super long video, but I hope you guys enjoy this treat.